Are you doing affiliate marketing? Now, when I first get started, I was learning from all the gurus and mentors about affiliate marketing, and they all told me to promote products on Clickbank. So I did that. But for a long time, I was struggling with the retention rate. So I may make a short-term money, but I found that most of my people, they don't buy more product from me. So I was frustrated. I was like, how can I make a lasting business? Until one day I bought a product from Clickbank, and instantly I realized why. Because the product quality is pretty low. Even though they promised a lot on their sales page, content is just poor, right? And I keep on checking different products on Clickbank, and I found they are all the same. Maybe 90% of the product on Clickbank is of low quality. So I started to figure out, if you do want to promote a product, you should buy the product and check the quality first. So I learned it the hard way. I spent lots of time to build a relationship, to position myself. But all of a sudden, just because of one cheap, low quality product, it can kill my brand. It can kill my trust for good. So if you do want to promote any product, maybe from Clickbank or from JVZoo, check the quality before you promote that. So that's a tip for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.